So radio frequency, it improves the quality of your skin by heating up the stem cell line, okay? Think of this as your skin. This is the collagen scaffold that we just talked about, and this is the most superficial part that when you touch your skin, you touch it, okay? There are different modalities of radio frequency depending on your age, your skin laxity, and your anatomy. We decide which machine would serve you best. All they do in different ways, they go in and they heat up your skin to a certain temperature for a certain amount of time. Heat is known to stimulate your skin stem cells, and that heat over the next few months is going to keep making your skin tighter by stimulating your skin.